If you're planning to attend the HAI HELI EXPO 2024, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From February 27th through the 29th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during HELI Expo's exhibit hall hours at the Anaheim Convention Center in Anaheim, California. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at HELI Expo 2024 why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by aviation maintenance technicians throughout the vertical aviation industry's remote visual inspections of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech Video Borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.